So it looks like my package has come in the mail. And the cabin air filter is here. So I guess I'll open it up. Okay. Got here. See, it's AC Delco cabin air filter. Okay. Okay, it's FVP, Rely Guard, maximum efficiency, maximum capacity, low resistance to flow. Okay, this fits a 2000 to 2007 Ford Taurus, or either a Mercury Sable. Okay. Alright, this is just an old filter. It says it's a premium filter. Okay, I'll go ahead and open it up. Okay, here's my contents right here. Okay, this is it right here. Cabin air filter. Okay, here's some of my tools that I'll be using to take this off with. And start over here and pull this clip off right here. This one right here. This clip right here. And finally this clip right here. And this panel right here will lift off. And the cabin air filter is right behind here. Okay, I got two of them off. I got this other one right here. I need a screwdriver to get it off. Don't want to lose it. Pops right off. And this one right here, that's the same thing. That one slides right off like that. I can just leave it like that. Okay. All right, let's see. See if I can get this off easy. Kind of hard to grip it. This is the hard one. All right, I'm gonna have to put the camera down in order to get this last one. Okay, that's all of them, and I put 3 of them right here and left my last one right here. So this panel right here comes up just like that. There's the cabin air filter. See how nasty and dirty it is? It's been 6 months, and these need to be changed at least every 6 months, in my opinion, not a year, because the water and the dirt comes from right over here, and this, over the period of time, the molding right here will start to get old, and you have a gap right here, and I'm gonna let that fast car go by me. Kind of loud. I'm right here on the street. Okay. Over a period of time, this molding will start to warp due to the sun and the heat, and it's easier for leaves and dirty branches and little debris to easily get down in this little bend right there, and that's what clogs up your filter, especially if you park under a tree like I am. So it comes right down here, especially when it rains. That's why it's dirty, but everything flushes down here. So I wonder if you can see that. So all I'm going to do is reach in here and pull it out. Pretty easy to do with one hand. I got the camera in one hand and I got the filter in the other one. And you just reach in here and pull it out. You can see how nasty and dirty it is. Okay, it just slides out just like that. And I got the new filter right here. Let me pull this off. And the new filter just slides right in. Okay, I'm gonna make a comparison. Okay, here's the old one, here's the new one. They do match up. See the little tab on this side right here, and this one has a tab right here. And this has a little plastic on this side, and this one has the same plastic on this side right here. So, and that is nasty. So, I'm gonna go ahead and pull this plastic off this one and slide it in. Okay, I got the plastic off. I just put it back in the box here. And I put this old dirty one right here in the box right here. Okay, but before I do that, what I'll do, I'll show you right here the way that this one goes in. The airflow right here, you can see it. The arrow is pointing down. Okay, this new one, you put it in the same way. Okay, you see it says airflow with the arrow going down. Okay, this one says the same thing. I don't know if you can see that, just like that right there. The arrow's pointing down, so you put this in, the new filter in, the same way this old one came out. So let me move this over here out of the way. Go ahead and lift this up. Okay, and I'll go ahead and slide it in there. Goes right up in there, and that's clean. Pretty clean. You can see that. Okay, it slides right back in there. Same way it came out. Okay, just like that. Right, that's pretty good. Alright, so it's in there pretty good. Yeah, I'm double checking it. Make sure. Turn this camera sideways so you can look up in there as good as you can. Alright, it's in there. You see it. That's the way it goes in. So all you do is just push this panel down. Just like that. And reinstall these clips just like this. I'll show you right here. Okay, you see that one right there? That one just slides right up just like that. Okay. So okay, like this one right here. This one goes like that, and it slides. It kind of slides in like that. Okay. This is kind of old and kind of warped, but you still got a little, warp right here from age right here. This is where all the debris comes in, but it goes down just like that. Okay, here's one over here. This goes just like that, holds it in. I got the last one right over here. It goes right there. Just like that. Kind of put a little bit of pressure on it. Just like that right there. So I got 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's it. It's in there. That snap right in just like that. And that's all you do. Okay, I just want to take a minute and show you this. This is the old dirty filter that I took out. I changed it about 6 months ago. And you see it's got leaves in it and everything like that. You don't want it to get no dirtier than this. So, because you're breathing all that nasty stuff. You're breathing the dirty air. And if you always have allergies and always got a cold, this is probably what the problem is. So, I just want to take a minute. This side's clean. Okay. I just want to take a minute and show you that. And show you why a lot of people are always sick. Because they never change out their cabin air filters. But just make sure to check on yours. Make sure it's clean. And as long as you keep it changed out, always keep a clean cabin air filter, you should be fine. Okay, start up the car and turn on the air conditioner, and should have nice clean air now that I changed out the cabin air filter.